2 minutes early. And hopefully this way I can get the comment box issues sorted out in advance and all that fun stuff. That'll be a party. So welcome to my Halloween spooktacular live stream. It's a bit of a stretch, but tests are kind of scary when they fail, so we're going to add tests to 3 outgoing PRs I have, and they're probably going to fail, which will make this spooky. And I did say it was kind of a stretch. Okay, let's see if it started actually working or if it's just not doing anything. I give it 50-50 odds on either. Okay, cool. Shows live on Twitch. So I'll have my Twitch comments up there. I'm just going to open the YouTube page so that I can have the YouTube comments, just in case anyone wants to jump in. Ooh, that's fancy. Since it's Halloween, I am wearing a costume, in part because I like costumes. And more or less, let's go switch to live mode. Oh, and I'll update spooky tests. Okay, so now the title should be up to date. It's Spooky Tests with Airflow, Kubeflow, and Spark. And my costume is Acid Burn from Hackers. You can see the shirt and the jacket. The makeup's a bit of a stretch, but I wasn't really feeling like putting in a lot of work today. I also have rollerblades that I'll put on later. They don't really work very well with live streaming, it turns out. We don't really have that live streaming with a laptop on rollerblades thing down just yet. So I'm going to get this morning started with Airflow because I think that's going to be the PR which is the least amount of work, and knowing myself, if I can get something easy, like an easy win down first, that'll really motivate me to be, happier and more excited about this stuff. So let's go ahead, find my Airflow PR, and try adding a test to it. So here's the deal. What's the one comment? Okay, the one comment's from CodeCop. We can see it took a while. Worked on this in some previous live streams, and we got it passing the existing tests, but there's no tests for the new functionality. So this is the branch. We're going to go ahead and check out that branch. Oh, hey, happy Halloween. Oh, unable to listen. Oh no. I'm so sorry. Let me check the sound. Thanks for pointing that out, Vishal. I'll double check the sound. Let's see. So I think the sound seems to be working for me. Let's see here. Yeah, okay, cool. Yeah, I guess the sound... okay. Thanks, David. Yeah. I guess we don't have an easy way to turn on closed captioning automatically. There's a cool thing in Google presentations where I can do like live closed captioning, but I don't know how to do that with my stream. Okay, so jumping back to what we're going to work on. The first one that we're going to do is Airflow, because I think this one's going to be easiest. Took a while to get it kind of working. It passes the existing tests, which is a good starting point, but not enough. So I'm going to go ahead and have I checked out the branch yet? No. Okay. I think this is the branch. Yeah. Okay. So what we're going to do is we're going to do a git pull because I know I was working. Oh, cool. I'm glad it's working. I know that I did some work on this PR on my laptop, so I need to do a git pull to make sure we've got the most up-to-date one. Okay, that's from when we were doing a code review last week. So now we're going to go incubator Airflow, and we're going to try and look at some of these tests. Let's go and see if there's anything like rep-r user in tests or something like that. Well, I mean, that's maybe since the no, okay. Auth, okay. Well, there's tests core.py, which looks like this might be where it belongs. So let's go ahead and open up our good friend core.py. Okay. Password underscore user. Looks good. Model user. Interesting. We don't have a username set here, do we? Oh, no, we do. Password test is the username. Oh. Google? No, because there's the authenticator thing in here, which I want to look for. Yeah, I think really what we're going to want to do... this isn't... this is just testing that we get back a string from the password. Interesting. Interesting. Well... I want to take a look at my git logs. This is maybe settings. Okay. Fuck. Sorry. I thought this was going to be super fast, but it looks like it's going to take a hot minute. Because what I want to do, I want to make sure that we've actually fixed the user's problem, right? If we're going to go ahead and say we fixed their problem, then, you know, we should actually do that. Okay. I think that's one's me. I'm going to go ahead. And, so it looks like there's a bunch of different authentication backends. So we want to make sure that we're going to pick the, we're going to test with the same authentication backend the user has. So Google authentication, no other comments here. So Airflow log, I think there was like something in here which made it kind of clear where it was coming from. Okay. Ooh, this is going to be a pain in the ass to test. Because I don't... So, okay, testing that we fixed, yeah, no. We don't have OAuth tests. So we'll just go and we'll do a password test. That'll just have to be it, because I'm kind of not feeling setting up a whole mock OAuth thing. Sure. So I could put it in here. Web password auth test. Oh, this is kind of involved. I don't think we need to do this full thing. So we'll do it in here. So test password authenticate. So test password user Unicode user authenticate. So we're going to go ahead self password user dot username. And we're going to go think I'm gonna Unicode Panda. Oh, this is Panda. I like pandas. Okay, we don't have to change the password. Okay. Yeah. Let's make sure that this works. Okay, or all shows up correctly in here. Test that a Panda user can be saved. Now, running the tests for Airflow is still a pain in the ass. Especially because I think we have different versions of Docker Compose on different machines, and the Docker Compose tests here depend on Docker Compose 2.2. So my PR is tagged as work in progress, which means like people aren't going to bother reviewing it, but I can also just use the CI environment to run this test, which is good because we got another project to move on to. So that was Airflow. Let's go take a look at my Kubeflow PR. It's going to be where the party is. Oh, it's not Apache Kubeflow. It's Kubeflow. Sorry. Spend too much time working in Apache projects. It's really easy to just forget the world outside. Okay, cool. Also a work in progress PR. Where we left off was me asking how to do this. And it's like, hey, and so the person very helpfully said, you should just do this in prow-config YAML, not this test-deploy.python file, which you were working on. Let's go take a look. Ooh, why did CI not finish? Whatever. Cool. So once again, we're going to go and we're going to jump in to another project. Very spooky. Emphasis on spooky. Okay. No one's buying the spookiness. It's fine. It's fine. Okay. Git checkout Spark job. Cool. So, what have I been doing? Oh, those are some things that I should have added. Maybe. Oh, yeah. Okay. So, we're in an interesting place. So first thing I'm going to do is git add Kubeflow parts. Looks like I did some work and kind of forgot about it. Git commit -m, add Spark version param. Oh yeah. PR feedback, change description. What did I change about? Oh, change description, typo, and add optional param to Spark operator for Spark version. Okay, cool. Then I'm gonna do start trying Spark tests to test deploy.py, and then we're actually going to go ahead, git log, git revert this. And this is just so that it's in the git log, so I can go back at suggestion to focus on prow tests. Okay, cool. Awesome. So that's good. Yeah, let's go open up Kubeflow and figure out what these prow-based tests do and how they work. So Kubeflow, prow? No, Kubeflow, prow config. Yes? Does this look right? Yes, okay. What was the link to on line 15? Okay, Kubeflow testing workflows. Okay, sounds reasonable. So let's go take a look at Kubeflow testing, nope. Testing workflows, okay. Yeah, it's not bad. It's reasonable. There's a run.sh. Really environments. Main.jsonnet. Params.jsonnet. Okay. So I'm kind of confused. I don't know how these tests work. This is the TensorFlow drop. So is this just like a chaos generated? No, that wouldn't make sense. Would it be? What the fuck? Huh. No. Not in lib, not in case on net. I mean, this is... okay. So, this is referencing a specific commit SHA, though, too. This isn't looking great. Oh, hey, SK Froy. Yay, Twitch human. Hello. I'm not super sure I get what's going on here. Because this is also referencing a specific version of Kubeflow. Which seems like that would not be what we want. So this is the click deploy test. Name. Oh, wait, no, this is another entry. Okay. After. Okay, wait. KFCTL test. Okay, I'm gonna look in the git log and try and see if I can figure out what's going on with this, because I don't know. I want to figure out when this was added. Okay, workflow components. Oh, here we go. KFCTL test. Okay. Yep. Yeah, okay. This is using latest and stuff like that. That looks solid. create PR symlink, generate GCP, apply GCP, generate Kubernetes, apply Kubernetes. KFCTL generate. Huh. Okay. Okay, here we go. Defines. Here's the workflow. End-to-end. Kubeflow credentials. Okay, so what was this PR for? Let's go take a look at it. Hey girl. Here, I can drag this over so you show up too, I think. Oh wait, no, that's the wrong button. Sorry. Carolyn came to join us. You're not wearing a Halloween costume.
I don't have any Halloween costumes that I can wear on my motorcycle.
I have several Halloween costumes.
You look real cute. I was gonna dress as a duck because I'm a duck for the purpose of your coding.
No.
But you didn't have a duck costume.
That's okay.
The closest was a Pikachu onesie.
We can get you a duck costume for next year if you want.
Okay.
Or you could dress as me with the bags under the eyes like you said, which is just super mean.
I thought that was a great idea. I was going to dress up as Holden, and I was going to look really tired and have a boarding pass and be wearing a unicorn onesie.
You didn't
and
tell me about the
sunglasses.
boarding pass.
Yeah, well, what else is you? You're flying all the time, and you wear a unicorn onesie and sparkle glitter and boo. Boo is very important.
Meow, meow, meow. Okay. So, workflows.jsonnet. So, E2E. Oh God. I should probably. Okay, so this is Argo NFS. TF job test. Oh God. I kind of want to find like the simplest version of whatever the hell was inside of this thing, because like this test is complicated, in part because I don't know Kubeflow. So Kubeflow workflow testing. Okay, cool. So let's go take a look. Vendor Kubeflow. Yes. So we don't have Kubeflow vendored anymore. That sounds good. But like, where do we actually have the workflows defined? Adventures. Okay, maybe this was a bad idea to go all the way to the end. Let's go. Okay, someone added a periodic test. So it's workflows components. What's in unit tests? This is just all of the like stuff. Add a task to the tag. So this adds like tf serving.lib. Ooh. So there's unit tests, JSON net, sorry, TF serving, click deploy, KFCTL test, generate GCP, apply GCP, generate K8s, apply K8s. Is there like core? No. Like I really want to just put this inside of another person's test because I'm lazy and that's way less work normally. Cause like click deploy test. Test setup.sh. Which one? Bootstrap? Nah. Test deploy.yaml. This is Kubeflow controller. That's it. There's a README file. Not quite what I want. Okay. Looks like there's... Okay. So here we go. This is someone who was just kind of retro patching in a test on top of someone else's test. And so this is the like bad behavior we're gonna, or not bad behavior, the less effort behavior we're gonna follow. So this goes Python M. So this uses test deploy though. Fuck. This actually does use test deploy. Damn it. I think. Okay. Ooh. Okay. Let's just look at workflows.libsonnet. Okay. Deploy dash Kubeflow. Okay. So let's try. Where is deploy TF serving GPU defined? Deploy TF serving GPU. Ah. Yeah. Okay. Wait, what? So this is the this was just committed. Interesting. Meow.
That works.
Okay. Snuggle.
Yeah, I've had a video of me. It's just me looking at my phone.
Yeah. I don't care about this. That's fine.
Oh, okay. Instagram.
to be fair, I don't understand mechanical engineering either, so we're good.
It's okay, neither do I. No one does.
Oh, well,
I kind of do.
okay.
I
So
can draw shit on a computer.
seems to be what the job entails. Okay, so there's the test JSON.NET formatting, which was taken out. JSON.NET test. So, I mean, the end-to-end test sounds like it would be reasonable-ish to put us here. E to E tasks. So then we would go and wait, no, this is deploy tf serving command base, deploy tf serving command. Okay, let's try this. Name Snarkoliav. Okay, bye. So we're gonna go deploy Spark job. Template is deploy Spark job. Dependencies are just gonna be setup, and that's okay. Okay. So yeah, okay. So that's workflows.lips.net. And we go here. We're going to look for deploy tf serving. Okay. And so this is the deploy tf serving command. And so then let's instead local deploy Spark job command. This uses the testing test deploy, which I don't. Deploy okay, and then we go ahead and we're going to say project equals, and then okay. Okay, that's deploy Spark job command. So then deploy tf serving command. There's a template down here. Okay. Job command. Okay. This looks like a start. Although it looks like, okay, get -am. Start trying to add Spark to the 2E workflow for testing. Git revert. Looks like the protests call into the Python tests normally. So, cool. Right. And then yeah. Okay, so this should just work in theory. Let's push. Or, fuck, there's a validate thing. Pull requests, author, Holden, work in progress. And so format. Okay. Yeah. I don't have JSON.NET installed on this computer. Wait, really? Huh. Weird. I guess I've been doing all the Kubeflow stuff on the other machine. That makes sense. Auto format JSON.NET. Okay. Let's also do a git push. See what CI says. Probably, since I've been doing my Kubeflow work on the other computer, no idea if this stuff is actually going to work or not. But that's okay, because we've got a third project to go to. And then we'll loop back around and see what CI says about each of the tests that we've tried to add today. Cool. So this one is 29 comments in. Let's see if... Cool. Oh. Okay, so this one is kind of cheating because I already started to add a test, but it was kind of jank. And I got a comment which says, "Hey, this is why your tests looked like they were passing." And I'm like, "This is awesome." And then it turns out my tests looked like they were passing because they weren't running. So let's go ahead and get this test to run so that it actually tells us if our software is terrible or a great success. So now we're going to go into the Spark project. Do I have Minikube on this machine? I don't. I should install Minikube on this machine. Do that after we update the Spark test really quickly. I guess I should probably ride to work on my scooter today. Anyway, sorry, I'm easily distracted. I'm gonna drag this back over so you don't see how messy my room is. And we'll go back here. Yes, okay. Is it? Weird. Okay. Says we're up to date. The comments are in Kubernetes suite.scala. Okay, so we're going to go up here. Spark. Okay. Yeah. Okay, cool. Actually, so the big one is in decommissioning suite. So it's going to be line 22. Cool. Snuggle love. What the? This is okay. Okay. So extend decommission suite here. Extend decommission suite so the tests are triggered. Cool. Now it's probably going to fail. That's going to be kind of sad, but that's okay. Let's go take a look at this. Why the thread sleep? Why not check if the get status is running and then kill it? I'm not sure I know what he means by get status. It's a good question. Yeah, that's not a bad point about having this parameter be tunable. Okay. Yeah, that being said, I really like coffee. And so I can drink some coffee and pretend to think about it for a minute. My Emacs coffee cup. Super badass. Alright, so the main one here is why the thread sleep inside of Kubernetes suite. That's legit. Thread.sleep. Okay. If the delete the node 10 seconds after it starts. Why not check if the get status is running? Fudge? I'm not. The way this is written, it sounds like I should know what get status is. Get status. Nope. Okay. Oh, no. Maybe, I don't know. Let's take a look here. Get status. Nope. It's not there. Where is it? It's Kubernetes utils.scala. Okay. Kubernetes utils.scala. Get status. Huh. Okay, this seems reasonable. I think I still want to sleep, though. I'm going to comment this out. Okay, so this gives me the pod. And then I can get the status. Okay, yeah. The thread.sleep is very spooky, because it's probably going to be an unreliable test. But wait, what? Huh. Yeah. Huh. Oh, right, this manually simulated a worker decommissioning. That makes sense. Why I still wanted the integration test. Yeah. Okay, cool. So, though, the problem is... Yeah. We probably... above running. So essentially, decrease the fudge factor and check the pod status to be more reliable. So that's this is a good point. We can make this better. Okay, so we've got pod. Now we're going to go ahead and we're going to go Kubernetes utils. There's like a eventually timeout interval Kubernetes utils. So essentially what we're going to timeout interval. So we'll wait some maximum timeout for the pod to become running. And so then we'll go ahead. State. Okay, container state. Format pod state. No, I just want to get pod state. Okay. Okay, I just format pod state. Is there a get pod state? Pod state. Oh, I guess we don't actually need Kubernetes utils there. Okay, so we're just going to go pod dot get status so eventually we'll wait for the pod to be running. So wait for the pod to be running. Sleep a small interval to ensure everything is registered. This is not great, but whatevs. And then pod.delete. Delete the pod. Delete the node 5 seconds after it starts running. Yeah, delete the pod to simulate cluster scale down / migration. Okay. Kind of jank. Let's see if it compiles. My bet is no, but I'd be happy to be wrong for a change. Oh, wait, no, but we have to do -p Kubernetes. Otherwise, not gonna have a party. Okay. I guess while this part's happening, I can install Minikube. Ubuntu Minikube, because this machine has like no real requirements. Yeah, probably VirtualBox. Minikube. Installing Minikube. Okay, whatevs. Let's see. Nope. I have kubectl installed. Okay. VirtualBox. It's kind of slow, but I'm lazy. Yeah. Sure. Okay, cool. Yeah. So this is literally the compile core and my Kubernetes integration test command. And while that happens, we'll download and install Minikube. But this is the main thing. That Sun miscon save thing is eventually gonna have to get dealt with. I know people were talking about it, but I don't know what we decided to end up doing. Should find my pagers. I think, oh yeah. So as part of my very 90s Halloween costume. Oof, that was, that's not a motor, is it a Motorola pager? This is funky. How about this one? Ah! Oh. Okay, well. I have a very 90s Motorola pager from a company called Weblink. Actually, strictly speaking, it's from eBay. But Motorola pager, just like in the Very Bad Hackers movie, which I love. Does this jacket has pockets, right? It does. Yes. I don't have the pager clip, unfortunately, so I'll just have to keep my Motorola pager in my pocket. Well, we wait for this compile to happen. While this is going on, I guess this is going to take a little bit. We could go back and take a look at our Airflow PR and see what's going on. Yeah, Airflow. Pull requests. Author. Hold on. Ooh, it did not like our new test. Not overly surprising, but let's go take a look. What was sad? Oh, they were all sad. I would expect Python 3.7 to be okay with that random Unicode character. But let's go take a look. Oh. Okay. Oh. Yeah, this is not good news. So it looks like adding that Unicode character does not make it very happy. Unless this is unrelated, because this task instance shit shouldn't have anything going on. Okay, let's go take a look. Yeah, commands failed. One failed. Which one failed? Okay. Oh, god damn it. Here we go. Okay, cool. So it is the user authenticate one. User authenticate. Cool. Okay. Looks like... Weird. I'd expect this to fail. And... Python 2, but not Python 3. Okay, well, our Spark thing's going to take a bit of time, so let's go take a look at... Yeah. Shmer. What am I doing? It's going to be one of the Python files. Core.py, I think, yeah. Huh. Okay, so A, that's fine. So bcrypt, okay, import bcrypt. So it looks like it does not like this, but I don't have bcrypt installed. Interesting. Yeah. Okay, let's install these. Can test it really quickly. I'm confused. Wouldn't think bcrypt would be all that. But if it's just the... Oh, because we're using the username for the salt. Damn it. So since we use it for the salt, then it has to be okay with Unicode. Okay. So then we go here. This is fine. Then we go ahead and we say, okay. Yeah, import bcrypt. Okay. And so we're going to go, oh wait, no. What? Bcrypt hash pw. Okay, wait. Oh, okay, pw hash. Okay. Ah. Oh, yeah, B. Wait. Okay. Password pw hash. Okay. Yes. Wait, you're saying type B? It doesn't make a lot of sense. Oh, wait, what? Okay, one of these is the salt. Okay. Bcrypt, Python, what's this fucking API? No, I want... Okay. Okay. Damn it. As a Google Authenticator one, which is the backend which we wanted to test, but is a pain in the ass to actually test, is not great. Okay. Expected stringer by like object. Yeah. So it looks like we're using the usernames for the salt, which is a mediocre decision, to be honest. It's not the worst, but like you tend to have usernames like admin, so you get things like rainbow tables. So that's not great. But changing that is a pain in the rear end. So let's go find salt. Okay, let's go find our good friend LGG72. Okay. 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 Check password hash. Okay. There's check password hash and generate password hash. These are both inherited from the user model, I think. Look. User? No, user. Model. Models.py. No. Weird. Looks like this is going to be a pain in the ass to fix. Maybe. So we might refactor this a little bit and do our test with the Google one. Google auth.py. Are there any... There are no tests for this, as far as I can tell. Let's try looking for Google user. No. Okay. Well. Oh, cool. Cool. Oh, cool. Test GCP base hook. ML engine. Nah. That's some other stuff. Okay. This is a Google Auth backend. So really... This is sort of what I want, right? Like, we're testing that the username can have UTF-8 characters in it, but the problem is, while the username can sort of have UTF-8 characters in it, it's, do I have to... we're using that for the hash, we would want to reset the password because we changed the username. But let's go take a look. Okay, so this is a valid test. The problem is our PW hash is sorry, the hashing thing is confusing me, like why it's exploding, right? Like that part is not making a hell of a lot of sense. Ugh. bcrypt hash pw b comma b b. Okay, import bcrypt. Okay. bcrypt hash b comma b. Okay, except over here inside of our password auth thing, we have so if we go utf-8, oh, it's not, it's hash pw. Huh. Weird. So, okay. I don't understand bcrypt hash pw Unicode Python 3. Cool. So, UTF-8, UTF-8. I don't know. Okay. Type what? Yeah. It doesn't like the salt. I'm confused though, because where is our salt coming from? I guess this is the thing. Salt. Models.user. So authenticate, check password hash. Like, where is check password hash coming from? Okay, it's coming from Flask bcrypt. Check password hash. I don't. Okay. Flask bcrypt generate password hash. username. Yeah. So s.decode. Oh. Okay. Nope, not what I wanted. So this looks like it's somewhere inside of Flask bcrypt. Oh, did I somehow switch to a different Chrome? Yeah, okay. Yeah. Yeah. This is the problem. So the error we get from CI is expected string or byte-like object, which means the salt is the one that's funky. So when we get the username, username is a string. Like, I'm still not sure why this would fail with a UTF-8 character here and not otherwise. That's not great. Yeah, this is not happy. So that's the thing though. Okay, so if we go look at the Google auth, this is where it was failing because the username is not UTF-8. Okay, so then load user. This is a panda, so that's fine, but not. Why is this stupid hashing thing? Why is it failing? Oh, wait. Get diff. I wasn't setting the password. This makes 90% more sense. Okay. set the password for the test. Okay. I think this will make sense. I'm like, okay, cool. That should work. I just misunderstood the test failure, I think. Because it's expected a string or byte-like object, but I think the problem was I just gave it none because I didn't set a password yet. And so that would be not very useful. So we'll do that, and hopefully this will work. Cool. Let's go take a look at our Spark compilation. Spark friends, cool. Not surprisingly, the Kubernetes integration test compile failed. Pod.getStatus. So that's E. Kubernetes suite. Scala. Oh no, resource is equal to pod. Oh wait, why don't I just do resource? Yeah. Oops. Okay. This simplifies the code a bit. Maybe if this works. Okay, so let's just compile the Kubernetes integration tests. If they compile, we'll commit it and push, and then I can go ride my bike to work. Aye. Not the most surprising. Okay. So we're going to go back here. Yeah, this is the... Yeah. Okay. There we go. And the container state running part from Kubernetes utils. Cool. Cool. Okay. There we go. Now compile once more. I guess is instance of container state running. Don't. Oh, model.pod status cannot. Okay, wait. Oh, that's a pod. Fudge. So that gives us the pod status. Container description. Okay, def container. Oh, that's... Okay, so we're gonna want to make this on a new line, and we're gonna want to refactor this a little bit. Yep. So this gives us the pod being added for the executor pods, but not the driver pod. So we're good. Okay, val container statuses. Okay. So then what we're going to do is container statuses dot filter and then eventually what we're going to do is running containers is greater than 0 and non-running containers is equal to 0. So we want to wait for all the containers in the pod to be running, I think. Yes, does that make sense? Or do we want just to get the pod status? That might be easier. Okay, well, let's git commit this. Check all containers. I think actually we can just go p.getStatus. Okay. Is instance of, and then Kubernetes suite. We're going to go ahead and we're going to swap pod state running. Pod state running. Okay. I really hope that's a pod state I can check for. Cool. Let's go take a look at this. Any kind of thing. Pod state? Pod status. Okay. Okay. Fuck. This is annoying. This gives me like a string. I don't want a string. I don't want to do string comparisons. IO8 fabric 8 check pod up Is there like... Okay, pod. Up. Check pod. Or pod up. Pod status? Okay. Okay, so I want the pod to be ready. But these are just all strings. I guess that's pod condition. So dot get conditions dot filter scala dot filter condition underscore dot type underscore dot get type, sorry, equals what was it? Fudge. Pod status ready. Yeah, I think it's just going to be ready. Dot head option dot filter pod status, oh god. Pod status fabric 8. Pod condition, and it's dot get status. Okay, dot equals true. Dot head option dot get or else. Okay. So what we'll do, status, or sorry, cond dot get status and cond dot get type equals ready. And then we get the head option, dot get or else false. Okay, that looks like a pile of code. Let's see if this looks at all reasonable. So the idea here is we get the status, then we get the conditions, then we look for a condition which is that it is both ready and true, and so the pod has to be ready. And then, okay, cool. And then if there is a status for that, we're great. If there isn't, then we return false. And then we'll just wait some interval. And so this is going to be pod.get statuses, right? Oh yeah, pod state running is no longer is not a thing, not no longer a thing. So okay, and then let's just lowercase false. Cool. Okay, cool. What is this? How can I... can I get these things? There's no getters, are there? Except it extends resource. Okay. Fabric 8 resource. I can. Okay. Pod resource. I don't know. Oh, wait. Wait. So not pod. This is resource. What type is resource, anyways? Alright, cool. I'm gonna go to work. Oh, cool! It compiled. Great. Wait for the pod to become ready before we kill it. Okay, cool. Great. That test updated. Hopefully it'll run. And that's pretty good. So thank you all for joining me. It's been spooky, kind of. I'm hungry. I want to go to work. There's food there. Well, want to go to work is maybe a bit of an overstatement. I just remembered what's in my Google Drive, so just give me a second. Oh, cool. Thankfully, I loaded the wrong one. Oh, cool, and it's not there anymore anyways. I'm just going to do my quick outro bit. Conferences 2018, live stream intro outro. So Holden and Boo's super fun live stream adventures. The last one I did was spooky Halloween tests. And I'm Holden. I'm a developer advocate at Google. I'm on the Spark PMC, but I contribute to a lot of other projects, as you saw from my somewhat frustrated efforts to add tests to things today. In addition to who I am professionally, I'm trans, queer, Canadian, in America on an H-1B work visa that expires in 2020 and part of the leather community. Okay, so with that, I'm done for today. Later on this week, I'm going to be in Mexico for an open source conference. If you happen to be in Mexico, I hope you'll join me there. Have a lovely rest of your week, and I hope you have an excellent Halloween. Thank you all for joining me.